Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to add items to your canvas on the Ibis Paint X application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my canvas, and if I want to add another items, for example characters or backgrounds and others, click to the image icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find the all options: the tracing sketches, the wall body, Japanese texture, tracing sketches, for example building. Select a topic, and here you can find a different option. And just click that and you can add to your canvas, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.